Hello everyone and welcome back to House to Happy Home. If you're new here, my channel is all about my home buying process, decorating, DIYs, makeovers, things like that. And today's video is going to be my patio makeover. I kind of styled this patio very quickly when I moved in. I had a couple of rocking chairs that I got for free on Facebook and like a little side table that I got for free as well. I shoved them out there just kind of to fill the space. But I didn't make it cute. There was nothing else out there and they were there. I never went outside, sat out on there, and I kind of wanted to make it a place where I would like to go sit out and enjoy at nights and watching the sunset and things like that. So today's video is going to be all about that makeover, so let's just go ahead and get started. This is what the patio looked like before. There are, like I said, just some rocking chairs that I did get for free, so they did have some prior sun, water damage, things like that, but it was very boring. I had those two rocking chairs that didn't even match, a little side table, and from the outside of the house, it was also very boring, needed a refresh. That's what it looked like. So I started by clearing off all of those things. I am going to be keeping them to try to do some projects with, but I am getting rid of them off the patio for now. The patio is now cleared off, so it's time to go ahead and get started. Right here I have the majority of things, that I'm going to be using for my patio makeover. First, I have this table that I am going to use. I've had this for many years now. I got it at Urban Outfitters on clearance a long time ago for like 50 bucks, and I used to use it as a nightstand, but I've got new nightstands, so it's time to move on from that. So I'm going to repurpose it and use it outside. And then I got this little lantern at Target. It was $7. It doesn't have anything in it, but it has place for like a candle or like one of those fake LED candles. And then I got these pillows, also from Target. They're the Opal House brand. They're outdoor pillows. And then this rug is a small outdoor rug. And this is a Project 62. This was only like 25 bucks, I think, for an outdoor rug. And then the best deal of all were these chairs. So there was two chairs here. They are outdoor chairs, obviously, and they were an online return item. So they came with all of the cushions, came with some pillows. They have the seat cushion, and then they each have a back cushion pillow. And these were originally around $450, I think. They're the Opal House brand from Target as well. And they were an online item that someone returned. So they were on super clearance. They were only $135 for these two chairs and this little love seat matching outdoor furniture set. I'm actually gonna use this in the backyard over here, but there's obviously not enough room for this on the patio with the other chairs, and then there's not enough room in the backyard for the love seat with the matching chairs as well, so I'm just gonna split them up. Then I also have this fake outdoor plant that I'm gonna be using. I've just kept this in this spot since I moved here because I had no idea where to put it. I got this for free about a year ago at my last apartment that I was living in. Someone had left it by the trash, and I thought it had plenty of life left, so it is just a great fake outdoor plant. Well, not outdoor, just a fake plant that I'm going to use out on the patio. And then also I have these two little plants right here. My mom was kind enough to repot them for me. So this is a blueberry, and as you can see, it already has some little blueberry blossoms and little fruits on there. And then this is a Bing tomato. This one also has some little baby tomatoes on there starting, but they're kind of hidden underneath. So I'm going to put these on the patio out there as well. I'm just going to start by unwrapping all of these things, taking tags off, and getting everything ready to place outside. All of the things are completely unwrapped, are free of tags, and they're now ready to go outside. I'm actually gonna start by sweeping off the patio, just kind of get anything that's on there off and out of the way. All right, so the patio is finished, so let me go ahead and show you around. So starting over here, I have my little baby Bing tomatoes. As you can see, there are some little baby sprouts under there. There's one right there. There's like a couple of baby ones under here, and then two smaller ones there. Then I have my blueberry, which does have some blueberries on it. They're very young, but there are some blueberries. And then there is a pretty empty walkway right here. That's just because it's the opening to the patio door. That's my cat right there. He's mad that I'm not letting him out. But I left this kind of empty just to make sure that I had enough of a walkway. I might get like a little doormat for right here, but I haven't really decided yet. And panning on over here, these chairs, and I think everything just turned out so beautifully. And then I have the little rug and the table with my little lantern and a little succulent that my boyfriend got for me. And then I have the other chair, and then I put the fake plant back here. I think it's nice to just kind of like look this way and see some greenery, even though it's, you know, complete greenery behind, but just to have a nice little something on the patio. I think everything turned out so awesome. So here it is from this angle. I absolutely love it. Now I actually would love to sit out here. I'll just sit out here and enjoy the sunsets. The beach is right this way, so I know I'm going to be sitting out here at nights, kind of enjoying myself. I hope you guys enjoyed my patio makeover video. If you have any video requests, please leave them down below and I would love to get to them. Again, these makeovers are coming slowly but surely. I actually didn't plan to make this video anytime soon, but when I saw those chairs at Target on clearance, I couldn't pass it up and knew I had to make over that space immediately. And if you are new here, please be sure to like and subscribe to follow my journey on turning my house into a happy home. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Bye.